Rachmaninoff All-Night Vigil, Opus 37. This excerpt is from Sergei Rachmaninoff's All-Night Vigil, Opus 37, written for a 4-part choir. We haven't analyzed a lot of music written in 4 parts, each on their own staff. This is open score. So this will be good practice for that too. If you're wondering what the language is, it's called Old Church Slavonic, a bit like Russian, but used in Eastern Orthodox churches many years ago. The text below the Russian just tells you approximately how to pronounce it. First, we need to know what key we're in. What keys are represented by a 1-flat signature? Yes, F major and D minor. While we can't see the end of this piece to confirm, the complete lack of C sharps, an important, usually added leading tone in D minor, suggests that we are in F, and it is indeed F major. Okay, so what is the first chord? Keep in mind that the tenor part is basically just treble clef. The little 8 below the clef just shows that we'll hear it an octave lower than written, because actual tenors can't sing the full treble clef range. Well, the bass note is F. The tenor is C, the alto is F again, and the soprano is A. Not counting F twice, but remembering that F is the bass, what is the chord? Yes, it's F major. In the key of F major, of course, this is the tonic, 1. It's already in root position because if you stack the notes up as closely as you can fit them, they form a triad in that snowman style stack. This chord is repeated right afterwards, so let's move on. What chord is spelled out by the first stack of eighth notes we see in full measure 1? This is over the syllable po, while the tenors are holding a half note. Well, the basses have a C, the tenors are still also on C, the altos are on E, and the sopranos are on G. C, E, G equals what in the key of F? Yes, 5, the dominant. Because C is the 5th scale degree in F, if you go F, G, A, B flat, C, then you have 5 letters. Any chord with C as the root, without accidentals, in this key is going to be some kind of 5. If C is on the bottom and we stack C, E, and G, we'll see that it's already in root position, so this doesn't need any inversion numbers. If we gave it any, they'd be 5, 3, showing a 5th and a 3rd above the bass. Okay, great. Next chord, right after those eighth notes. This would be over the syllable DJI. The notes are D in the bass, then A in the tenor, D again in the alto, and F in the soprano. This gives us DFA, D minor, and already in root position. What Roman numeral does this get in F? Yes, 6. We use the lowercase 6 here because D, F, and A create a minor triad without any accidentals, using only the notes we get in the F major scale. Okay, next chord. This is the last beat in the first full measure over TSE. The bass is A, the tenors have C, the altos have F, and the sopranos have another A. So the notes are A, C, F. Is this root position? No. If you stack A, C, and F together, as closely as possible, it looks like this. How do we reflect this reordering in the figured bass? Yes, it'll be 6-3, otherwise known as first inversion. From the bass note A, the A to C makes a 3rd and the A to F makes a 6th, hence those numbers. So, what is the root? Yes, it will have to be F. That's the only way we can get these notes to stack into a triad. So this Roman numeral will have to be 1, showing that F is the root, with the 6-3 showing that A is the bass. This is a 1-6-3 chord.